right, we got a special delivery in a few videos ago when I was actually putting the welds and boggers on this truck. I did not have any center caps. Now I do. Picked up some Weld Racing center caps, found them on Facebook. Guy shipped them to me from Arizona. So I got, there's a couple different designs of weld center caps. There's the push-through caps. These caps are made for an 8-lug wheel that actually go over the lug nuts. So I got 2 open caps for the front, 2 closed caps for the rear. The only bad thing is because I put the push-through caps on this truck from the Raceline wheels, I've got to take it all back off to put these caps on, but I'm excited to see these on the truck, and now I just got to jack the truck all back up, take the wheels and tires off and put these on, but let's get started. So I finished putting my center caps on. They look awesome. I went with the open caps in the front. This is a 4-wheel drive, so if I ever have to engage the locking hub, probably won't because I just drive this on the road. And I'll probably get some comments of how terrible it is, that this is just a street queen, whatever. I am very happy that I found these caps because I really like the design of these caps, and I think it finishes the look overall. So this is the front wheel. Like I said, these were freshly polished. It actually has weld forged on the center cap itself, but these are the open caps. So you can quickly come in here, engage the hub if I needed to, and it covers up the lug nuts and gives it a nice finished look. And you can see on the rear wheel, these are the closed caps, so they have the cone. Also covers the lug nuts, says Weld Forged Racing, but I think overall it really gives this set of wheels a nice look. I am very happy with how how these wheels and the boggers turned out on this truck. But that wraps up switching over my center caps from the temporary Raceline push-through caps that I had. Of course, you can find some push-through caps on Amazon if you wanted to, but I'm glad I've actually found some Weld Racing center caps. If you want to continue following along with the other projects going on, be sure to follow, subscribe, and like this video.